You see, gentlemen, today I'm going to talk to you about success. You see, success requires the best of your effort. So, what if you don't know what your best of your effort is? What do you do? Knowing your strength and your weakness is important because you have to learn how to maximize your wins and minimize your losses. Taking on the challenge of life, either work or family or relationship and friends, means that you have to take in a lot of punches and bring back a lot of punches as well. Each and one of us will have the ability and the power to evolve and grow stronger or to stay the same and stay stagnant. So you gotta know what you really do well better than each and everybody and develop that and work on that and make it grow and make yourself be stronger than ever. All of this is possible. All you need to do is you need to know your strength and you need to acknowledge your weakness. Being honest with your weaknesses will put you in a place that will minimize you getting punches and you being knocked out of your journey of success. So, gentlemen, are you ready to take your boy game into an alpha male game? Because in this channel, you are an alpha male. So, let's dive in.
You can't love nobody. Keep up, nigga. Okay.
Welcome. You see, assessing your strength and your weakness is not an emotional game. Nah, it's not that. Rather, it is cataloging your skills. It is knowing what you do best versus what you need to improve. And today, I got these 4 areas that I want you to start looking for your strength and your weaknesses in all those 4 layers. And after you look in those 4, you know if you need to improve them and adjust them. If you are new to this channel, this is Game with Mouse, getting alpha male experience. There's no any other show that talks about and building and empowering and putting motivation in your life each and every day so that you can become the best version of the alpha male that you are meant to be. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing down and put in a notification because 2 videos, they come your way each and every Tuesday and Friday, and I don't want you to miss them. So subscribe and notify today. With no wasting time, the first thing that I want you, the area that I want you to look at alpha, I want you to look at your knowledge-based skills. Your knowledge-based skills. Your knowledge-based skills is what you learn in school. It's either the degree or the diploma or the matric or the level certificate that you have right now. So you must understand that you looking at what you have learned at school and checking, do you really like doing this? What do you need to improve on this? Do you need another degree for you to get one? Do you need another certificate to balance them so that both of them, when they come together, they can become powerful? Or is that your weakness just because you get a matric or you get a degree? And is it your weakness? That's why you're not getting bigger. Some other times it's not always that it becomes your strength. Some other times it becomes a weakness because you can have a degree certificate and you're sitting at home, and the reason why you're not getting a job because you're looking for the specific job that relates with your paper, but you're not building out and growing yourself in other areas so that can just become an extra, so that when you say what have you done, when they're checking on your books, it can just be like a resume that is putting your level a little bit harder. So a lot of people, they're stuck with either their papers and their degrees, but they're not getting jobs because they're looking for a specific job that met their paper. So you as an alpha male, you must look at that and check on that and what you need to improve. Do you need more degrees, or you don't need them at all? Do you need to improve, or you need let go? So you as an alpha male, I want you to check on your knowledge-based skills. This is the stuff that we learned in school. This is the stuff that we went to the university, to the college for. This is not the stuff that we learned in the world, but we went to school for that. So check on that. Does it need improvement, or you just need to walk away from that? Alpha male, second thing, amazing alpha like you that you are supposed to check, and you need to check if it needs improvement or you just need to work hard on it. Is what I call transferable skills. Transferable skills are skills that you can transfer from one individual to another. Transferable skills are skills that either it's communication skills or it's either some handwork things, some financial information, financial knowledge that you got. Transferable skills like knowledge, reading books. When you read that book, when you pass it, the information that you read and sharing with another is very important. And one thing that a lot of us we need to really work on, because this defines our life, is service. is service and leadership skills, my guys. You can work in retail, you can work in a shop, in a tea counter, you can work doing anything as long as you're working with customers, as long as you're working with other people. A lot of people, they misunderstand that. They think that because when they go to the work, they're working for their company. No, you're working for yourself. You're not working for the company. The energy that you put out to that customer that is right in front of you, it doesn't come back to the whole company, although it does, but it comes back mostly to you, because you expressing your communication skills and treating that customer with 100%, my bro. Guess what? It makes you feel good yourself. It makes the customer feel good, because when he comes back, you look for you because your service was amazing. So when you're at work, don't get bored and just look at the time and say, I just want to knock off, this shit sucks. Nah, that shit is building you. You are there for a reason. If you don't understand that, God won't take you to the next level, because He wants you to learn how to communicate, and He wants you to communicate. Without communication, you can never be a leader. So these transferable skills, please teach each other how to be professional, teach each other how to be the best in each and every industry, area that we can be, and transfer these skills. This point you have to be long, because it's very, very point that I want all of us to be good at service and communication. If you can serve and communicate well with anybody, you can become a leader, because each and all those people that you communicate with, if you communicate proper with them, they want you one day to lead them. So, third point, gentlemen, that you must adjust and you must see if it is improvement, if it's you are using it as your weakness or your strength for today, is that your character skills needs to improve. They don't have to decrease. This needs to improve. Your character skills, these character skills are such things as you being honest, you being on time at work, or whatever you're going, a meeting, what you gotta be on work on time. Especially for work, be on time. Because if you are late for the job that you are getting paid off, so how are you gonna be late also for your company, because your company is not gonna pay you for the first 5 years. You'll be working for free at your company. Do you know that? Oh yeah, 5 years free. Train to work hard at the work point that you are right now. You see where you are right now. You see where you are right now. That's where you're supposed to be. That's why it is the present. That job that you have, that's where you're supposed to be. So whenever that job that you are supposed to, check out the best of you, so that, my man, you can grow. God, that's what God wants you to do. He wants you to take out the best of you in that workplace. Take out the best of you, and God will show you more. And the other thing you need to improve in the character is that you need to improve your character as you're being confident. Being confident about what you say. You are late, or you're late. Go there to your boss. Don't be afraid of those bosses of yours. Go there, look at him in the eye and say, yo, man, my time is up. I need to go. Don't be a confident guy. If you're confident in the area of your life, it improves you, or not only in your personal life, or not only also in your professional life. It improves you in all areas of your life. Whatever that you're gonna be, anybody that you're gonna be in contact with, you're gonna be an alpha male. That's what we are all about on this channel. It's all about you building you and being that confident and that greatest alpha and that amazing alpha. When you go out there, I want you, brother, to kick ass, because I know that you are amazing, and I believe that you are awesome. Because you watching this video just means that you are an awesome and you're a guy who's willing to improve his skills. So alpha, are you ready to improve your skills? Your character must be on point. Be honest. Don't cheat. Don't be honest, my man. Be honest with yourself. You're honest with somebody, you're honest with yourself. If you're lying to somebody, you're lying to yourself. So your character must be on point. Work hard each and every time. Your confidence must improve each and every time. And keep up the good work and be amazing all the time, because you are amazing. Fourth point for today, you amazing alpha. Thank you for chilling with me today. The fourth point is that you have to increase and you have to empower, and you need to put that strength in your financial wisdom skill. Financial wisdom skills. You need to have financial wisdom skills. You just see what I just did. I say financial wisdom. I didn't say financial knowledge. Everywhere you go, any book is tell you financial knowledge. Financial knowledge, financial wisdom is not like knowledge. When you're having this, when we were raised, most of us, when we were raised, we told that you need to work hard and you need to save money. The only time you can have money is to save money. Man, that's knowledge. That's old school. We don't need to do with that. That's what most of people want. We are using financial wisdom. Financial wisdom, you take that. It's from nothing, you make $1 from nothing. If you can make that 10 rand from nothing, that 10 rand is not you gonna take it and save it in the piggy bank. No, that 10 rand, it must multiply, it must make it 20 rand. When it makes a 20 rand, multiply into 100 rand. That's financial wisdom. Financial wisdom is making $1 out of nothing and multiply that dollar. Before you know it, it's hundreds. Before you know it, it turns into thousands. And before you woke up, it's 100,000. And before you know it, bro, I got $1 million. So it's all about you taking that money and not making it as your financial knowledge. Use it to financial wisdom. Financial wisdom is all about taking that dollar, multiply it, not saving. Stop saving. Saving is the old thing. Now it's taking that $1 and invest in it. Take that money, invest in it so that it can grow and make more money for you. Then that money, start making money for you. It's an asset. Stop saving. That's one thing I want to tell you. Stop saving and start investing. Take that dollar, multiply it. Before you know it, tens and thousands. For those thousands, multiply them. Before you know it, my amazing offer is going to be $1 million. And before you know it, you are $1 million, man. The last point of today, which is the last point, is not really the least, we put it to the end so that you and we can be to the end of this video together. And the last point of today is you, as an amazing offer, you gotta stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is one thing that we preach here on this channel each and every day. You drinking water and cleaning the temple of the Lord so that when the Lord comes to the last day, you find this temple clean and so that it can grow and so that you can build your strength into your weaknesses into strength when you are hydrated. Stay hydrated today, my man. Drink water. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that you find it so informative. And if you did, don't forget drop us a like down below. Subscribe if you're new to this channel because this is the one and only channel that teaches you how to be the greatest and the amazing alpha that you were meant to be. Subscribe, do the notification so that you don't miss each and every video that will come. 2 of them, they come your way. So ring that bell so that you won't miss any, because 2 of them are there to build you and make you the best of the best that you're meant to be. Share so that you can help us grow and help yourself grow. And for me, Mark, and the rest of the Getting Alpha Males Experience team, my home, we are out. So stay hydrated, be awesome, and be kind.